Before you buy any vitamin C body lotion, you need to know this. Not every product that is labeled vitamin C will brighten your skin. Some brands only use vitamin C as a marketing strategy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pick and identify a good vitamin C lotion, the mistakes stopping you from getting results, and the top 5 vitamin C lotions that are actually worth your money.
Go girl.
Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the top 5 vitamin C lotions that will actually brighten and glow your skin. A lot of people buy vitamin C lotions because they hear it brightens the skin, but they do not understand what vitamin C does. So when they get to use this product and they don't see results, they will start thinking that maybe the body lotion is not working, and some will even go as far as saying, Judith, vitamin C lotion darkens my skin, or my skin is reacting to vitamin C. But the truth is, this product might actually be great, but you're not just using it correctly. All of that is going to change at the end of today's video. Before we jump right into my top 5, let me teach you what to look for, because this is what most brands do not want you to know. Once you understand this, you will never waste your money on any vitamin C product again. First things first, I used to think vitamin C is just vitamin C, right? In simpler terms, what I am trying to say is, when you see a particular body lotion is said to contain vitamin C, don't just assume that it's the same vitamin C that is in all of them. Hell no, it's not. Vitamin C comes in different forms, and some of them are stable and potent than others. So when next you see a particular body lotion that is labeled or said to contain vitamin C, just pick it up, go to the ingredient list and look at it properly. You can even compare it to the next vitamin C lotion close to it to see if they have the same form of vitamin C in them. If you see anything like L-ascorbic acid, L-ascorbic acid is super potent. When you see it in the body lotion, just know that that body lotion is going to be effective. If a particular body lotion contains ascorbyl palmitate, this one is way gentle than the ascorbic acid and it tends to stay stable longer. If you see a vitamin C body lotion that contains sodium ascorbyl phosphate, just know that this is a middle ground vitamin C. This is the one that most brands tend to use. So this is the one that most of us tend to see in most body lotions. And when you see magnesium ascorbyl phosphate on the ingredient list, just know that this one is way gentle on the skin. This is the one that is very suitable for sensitive skin. Like if your skin tends to react to vitamin C, you're not going to react to this particular one. So this one is safe for people with a very sensitive skin. So when the vitamin C is not stable or breaks down very fast, just know that you're paying for nothing. Another thing I want you guys to note is, when looking at the ingredient list, always note the number where your vitamin C or any form of vitamin C was mentioned, because that contributes to effectiveness and helps you know the amount of vitamin C that is actually in that particular cream. If the vitamin C is among the first 10 ingredients on that list, it is going to be an effective vitamin C lotion. Now, another simple trick when it comes to picking your vitamin C lotion is to look for supporting ingredients. If a particular body lotion is just labeled vitamin C and it doesn't have supporting ingredients like hydrating ingredients or other brightening ingredients following it up, girl, that particular vitamin C is as good as just a regular lotion. It's as good as just a regular lotion, because why are you putting vitamin C in a lotion and there is no niacinamide, there is no hydrating ingredients like glycerin, shea butter, ceramide following it up? Guys, how are you supposed to see the result? So always ensure to look for ingredients like niacinamide, ceramide, turmeric, like these other ingredients will ensure you get the best results from that vitamin C ingredients that have been added in that lotion. Now, let's go ahead and debunk this one right here in this video. A lot of people hear brightening and they think it's going to give them 2 shades lighter or 5 shades lighter. Hell no. Brightening is not the same thing as lightening or whitening your skin. Brightening is just enhancing your natural skin tone. So try as much as possible to imagine your natural skin tone with light shining on it. That is what you get with brightening. Now that we have gotten all of that out of the way, I've actually taken my time to research, test some of the most talked about vitamin C body lotion. Now that you've already known what to look for, let's rank my top 5 vitamin C body lotions for glowing skin. I'll be telling you guys why I like each one, who should use it, and how to use your vitamin C body lotions for glowing skin. Coming in at number 5 is this Nivea Nourishing Hydration Skin Firming Lotion with Q10 and vitamin C. What I like about it is the fact that it focuses mainly on hydration, and it contains sodium ascorbyl phosphate, which is the middle ground vitamin C that we already talked about. It's actually supported by Q10 in this formula. So this right here to me is a simple everyday body lotion. If you're looking for a lotion that is going to maintain your fair skin, your caramel skin, your dark skin, and give you a soft, hydrated, moisturized, healthy looking skin, then this is one body lotion I would definitely recommend or advise for you to go cop. Compared to the other vitamin C lotions on this list, is not the most targeted vitamin C formula. So if your goal is just to maintain your skin and have a healthy, radiant, glowing skin, is a reliable choice to use every day in your skincare routine. Now, I know some of you will be wondering, Judy, what about the Nivea Radiant and Beauty Even Glow Lotion that contains vitamin C? With this, you're definitely going to be seeing a more brighter looking skin tone. The only thing is, this one, the hydration level for me is a 5/10 or 6/10. So for people with dry skin, I think they might have a problem with this one. Coming in at number 4 is this Olay Tone Enhancing Body Lotion. With the way I love this particular body lotion, it's supposed to be on my top 3 vitamin C body lotions. But the only difference is it brings exfoliation into the conversation, which is a good thing, by the way. For AHA, some skin can tolerate it while some skin does not. AHA, or alpha hydroxy acid, is one ingredient that some skin can tolerate to use on a day-to-day basis, whereas some other skin cannot. The fact that some people might not be able to use them on a day-to-day basis is why I had to put it on my number 4. When you're using a body lotion that contains AHA, you need to be very mindful of the other ingredients or products you're pairing it with. If you pair it with other exfoliating ingredients or products in your routine, it might end up irritating your skin or reacting on your skin. So you need to be very careful of the body wash or soap or body oil you're combining this particular body lotion with. Other than that, this is an excellent vitamin C body lotion. This is one body lotion that is going to help tackle your uneven skin tone, your discolorations, and give you a bright, radiant, healthy, glowing skin tone. And most times, to be on the safe side, I would say you should pair or combine it with the same body wash from the same brand to be on the safe side. Okay, this particular body lotion does not just contain vitamin C, is also accompanied by niacinamide and then lactic acid, which is the AHA. In other words, this is a potent vitamin C body lotion. Is a nice antioxidant lotion that is going to moisturize, nourish, hydrate, and at the same time, with consistent usage, is going to give you a brighter, radiant, healthy, glowing skin tone. At number 3, we have the Smedix Brightening Vitamin C Body Lotion. The reason this one had to come in at number 3 is the fact that it's not depending on vitamin C alone. It contains 2 different forms of vitamin C on the ingredient list. The brand took our time to add ascorbic acid, tetrahydryl ascorbate. I don't know if that's the correct pronunciation, but I'm going to put the ingredients on the screen for you guys. This is one body lotion that is going to serve as an everyday body lotion for you, and it's going to help moisturize your skin, gently nourish your skin, and give you a radiant, healthy shine on your skin. It's a body lotion that is going to help maintain and glow your complexion. It's not going to give you 2 shades or 10 shades like that skin tone. Hell no. And if you're one of those that have used maybe a lightening product before, avoid this one, okay? Before you will say that it's making you that. This one is not going to react on your skin. In fact, if you consistently use this particular body lotion, it's going to help improve and even out your uneven skin tone. If you want a vitamin C lotion that is going to give you that healthy appearance, a soft, healthy looking skin, then this is the one for you. Coming in at number 2 is the almighty Advanced Clinicals Vitamin C Cream. This is hands down one of the best vitamin C body brightening lotion that I've used. Like, I've tested it, and honestly speaking, guys, you will not be disappointed using this Advanced Clinicals Vitamin C Brightening Cream on your skin. I was blown away by the formulation of this particular brightening cream, the texture, the hydration, everything, even the price point. This is one vitamin C lotion that does exactly what it promises to do on your skin. It's going to even out your uneven skin tone, hydrate your skin, moisturize your skin, nourish your skin. If you're someone that enjoy applying cream on your body, you're definitely going to love this particular one. It's going to hydrate your skin, moisturize, nourish, and even out your skin tone. And with consistent usage, you're definitely going to see that brighter, radiant, glowing, luminous skin tone that you've been looking for. This one contains ascorbic acid, ferulic acid, ascorbyl phosphate. Like, there are different forms of vitamin C in this particular brightening cream, and it does deliver excellent results. It's going to make your dull skin look so much brighter and add life back to your skin. So if you're battling with a dull looking skin, tired skin, or you have discolorations that you want to get rid of on your body, then you can get this particular one. Guys, I didn't want to put this as my number 1 because I was considering the price point, okay? Other than that, this is one of the most effective vitamin C cream that you will ever use. If you really want your skin to stand out, go get this particular one. Taking my number 1 spot is the one and only Skin by Zaron Vitamin C Body Lotion. Wow. Now, I know some of you might be surprised why I chose this as my number 1. For my ranking, I wasn't looking at the most expensive body lotion or the most viral lotion. I was just looking at the formula, the hydration, the price, the accessibility, and the overall value. So this made it to my number 1 because of the formula, the price points, and the availability. It gives a well-balanced ingredient, and you actually do not need to break the bank to get this particular Skin by Zaron Vitamin C Body Lotion. If you've used this Skin by Zaron Body Lotion, you will understand what makes it stand out from all the other body lotions on this list. This can be paired with any regular soap, body wash, or in a simple routine, and it will still give you amazing results. Like, it will still deliver excellent results on your skin. If you're using this particular body lotion, you don't need to buy any hyperpigmentation treatment or moisturizer, because it is going to help tackle your pigmentation and even out your skin tone. So this Skin by Zaron body lotion is one effective body lotion that will give you amazing results on the skin. The ingredient list is amazing, like, it's awesome. It contains amazing ingredients and backed up by supporting ingredients that makes it very, very effective to even out your skin tone, clear your discolorations, your pigmentations, and give you a nice, beautiful, radiant, glowing skin. You're going to see instant results using this particular body lotion, guys. If you want to get the best results out of this, pair it with any brightening body wash or the Skin by Zaron Papaya Brightening Body Wash, and you're definitely going to see results on your skin. Now, one of the mistakes I see a lot of people make is buying a vitamin C lotion and thinking buying the product only is enough. Well, I need you guys to understand that your skincare routine matters. Like the routine you're going to be adding that lotion into, like your soap, your body wash, your body oil, your scrub, or your exfoliating product also contributes to how much result or effect that you will get with that particular vitamin C body lotion. So if you want to brighten up your skin or get the best brightening result with your brightening vitamin C lotion, then pair it with a good brightening body wash in order to support the brightening ingredients and give you the best result out of it. You can be pairing your vitamin C lotion with just a regular bar soap and you expecting miracle to happen. It doesn't work that way. If someone is pairing maybe this Nivea vitamin C lotion with this Fuchsia brightening body wash, they are definitely going to see results faster than someone using maybe the Dove bar soap with the Nivea Radiant and Beauty Even Glow body lotion. And that's simply the truth. So know how to pair your products in order to get the best result out of your lotion. Please do not forget, also ensure you're using a good sunscreen in your skincare routine. Learn how to apply your body lotions on a damp skin. I want to know, which of those vitamin C lotions are you currently using, or which one are you planning to use? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget, feel free to share your experiences and share this video with someone you would also want to see their skin glowing. I hope today's video was very helpful and you learned a thing or two from today's video, at least how to correctly use your vitamin C lotion. Subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.